Are you ready to master the art of Brazilian waxing at home? In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to get smooth, long-lasting results. Let's begin. A Brazilian wax removes all hair from front to back, leaving you completely smooth. Unlike a bikini wax, which only targets the visible line around the swimsuit, Brazilian wax offers a more complete result. Preparation is the key to a comfortable and effective Brazilian wax. Here's what you'll need: high-quality wax, pre-wax cleanser, baby powder, and aloe gel for aftercare. Tips to exfoliate the area the day before waxing to prevent ingrown hairs. Not all waxes are created equal. For sensitive areas, hard wax is usually the best choice because it sticks to the hair, not the skin, making the experience less painful. Clean the area. Begin by cleaning the area with a mild, alcohol-free cleanser to remove the oil or lotion. Apply baby powder. Apply a small amount of baby powder to the skin. This helps the wax stick to the hair, not the skin. Waxing using a wooden spatula, apply a thin layer of wax in the direction of hair growth. Let it sit for a few seconds until it becomes sticky. Wax removal: hold the skin firmly and, in one swift motion, pull the wax strip against the direction of hair growth. It reduces the pain and removes the hair from the root. Tip: take a deep breath before stretching to lessen the sting. Waxing around sensitive areas can be difficult. Work in small portions and always make sure to stretch the skin. Take your time and don't rush the process. After waxing, your skin will likely be sensitive. Apply aloe vera gel or a cooling, fragrance-free balm to relieve irritation. Avoid tight clothing and hot baths for the first 24 hours. Suggest exfoliating the area 2-3 days after waxing to prevent ingrown hairs. To reduce pain, consider waxing right after a hot shower when pores are open. Some people also find it helpful to take a mild pain reliever 30 minutes before waxing. Recommend breathing exercises or use numbing cream if they are particularly sensitive. Avoid common mistakes like applying too much wax, not tightening the skin, or waxing the same area multiple times, as this can cause injury. Congratulations on learning how to give yourself a Brazilian wax. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you do it, the easier it gets. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more health and beauty tips. Share your waxing tips in the comments below.